Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Don't hold my page.
Okay. Well, who is this?
This is Leah.
Who's your favorite?
This is Leah right here.
Yeah.
They hold my page. They hold my page.
Okay. Who's this?
I'm Solo.
What is he? What is this?
My father.
Yeah.
That's Skywalker.
No, that's Han Solo, and he's trapped in what? Remember what it's called?
Yeah.
Carbonite.
Carbonite. It's Han Solo.
Oh, who's this?
Wookiee Chewbacca.
The Wookiee Chewbacca. Oh, wait, hold on. Who's this? C-3PO. Wait, who's this?
They'll hold my page.
Okay. Who's this?
Lando.
Lando.
This is Lando too.
Oh, it's both Lando?
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll hold my page.
Okay. Oh, who's that?
They'll hold my page.
Who is this?
They'll hold my page.
Ellie, who is this?
Obi-Nobi.
What's his name?
Obi-Nobi.
Oh, okay. What about this one? Who's that?
Yoda.
Yoda. Oh, who's that?
Admiral Akbar.
What does Admiral Akbar say?
It's trap.
It's a trap!